Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new CNC axles for an axial scx10, and bought these axles off of eBay for around $90. Hopefully I can start a new build with these axles, start a new build series, and anyway, let's dive into the box. So here we go. We have a rear axle, no, front axle. You can see that everything is machined metal and machined aluminum. The servo plate on the top seems to be carbon fiber. First thing that we're gonna have to do is take this diff case off and just fill it with tons of grease. And a page on Facebook said just to Loctite every screw on these axles. So overall, they look pretty nice. Metal servo horn. Steering links. It's a rear axle. I think these are a little bit just slightly longer or wider than the scx10 stock axles. Missing a little screw right here for the diff case, but that shouldn't be that much of a problem. They already come with nuts for the wheels, all the screws that you need. Overall, they look pretty good. I do think that they're a little bit longer or wider than the stock axial scx10 axles. The diff cases are certainly a lot bigger. Let me get a comparison real quick. This is just a stock scx10 2 rear diff axle. Here's the new axles. So you can see they're a lot longer or wider than the stock scx10 2 axles, and we're going to be doing an scx10 build with this. And I do believe that there is metal gears, pinion gears in here, and drive gears, but overall it looks pretty good. But for sure, we're gonna have to Loctite all the screws and grease the gears before we run them. That should be that. Also, I have some KYX wheels that I'm in a box. Give you a little show of that. Quick. So, pick these KYX wheels up for about $60 on eBay. Actually, pretty cheap for what you're getting. These are 1.9s, but they're really big 1.9s. They're really beefy 1.9s. Nice tread pattern on them. This, I think this just unscrews. But they look like pretty good wheels for, I need a comparison real quick. This is a stock TRX4 wheel. And this is the KYX wheel. So they're actually pretty much, I think the TRX4 wheel is just a little bit wider than the KYX wheel. But they're about the same height. And we have alloy wheels on here. I believe this is a bead lock. I think this is a real bead lock. I don't think there's glue on there.